What's up, E-Sensu? Welcome back to the E36 project. This is part 2 of the kind of prepping for track day.
I thought you said you wanted to be successful. He said, I do. He said, when you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. I don't know how many of y'all got asthma in here today, but if you ever had an asthma attack before, you short of breath, you wheezing, the only thing you trying to do is get some air. You don't care about no basketball game. You don't care what's on TV. You don't care about nobody calling you. You don't care about a party. The only thing you care about when you're trying to breathe is to get some fresh air. That's it.
So we got the gas tank that we're going to be putting back in. Actually painting all the mounts that we did right now. The rear subframe assembly is all ready to go. We got our NERP Tech bushings in the back. We got our solid bushings, so we're gonna slap all this stuff back in. Sorry if I kind of missed some of those steps, but just trying to get it done. So let's get right into part 2. Alright, so we got the gas tank back in, so we're going to check for leaks. We're also going to start the car up. It's kind of a rule of mine. If you have the exhaust off, you got to start the car up. Awesome, guys, so the subframe's in. We're gonna get the brakes on. We're gonna put the BC coils on. We'll just keep going.
What is that? Shell.
so I adjusted the handbrake. That's all set. The coils are in, they're preloaded. Rear end's all finished, exhaust is back in, everything is in the back is finished. I kind of skipped a lot of stuff. So we're going to put the front coils on now, and we're also going to flush the power steering system.